Morning, counselor. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. There is a house, there's a city attorney in there. Who's your client, counselor? Gabe? Attorney Gabe? Oh, yes, connect. Oh, all right. Let's go ahead with, there was a Moto G Cure. There was a Moto G Cure. Moto G Cure, good morning to you.
Good morning.
You're outside the courthouse, it seems like. What's your name, sir?
Michael Garrison.
Michael Garrison, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir. Your Honor.
Okay, are we ready to go, Ms. Williams-Law?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, and it's the person that you printed, he's scheduled for trial as well.
Okay. What's your client's name, Mr. Brown?
Yexer Avila Lagos. Or Lagos Avila. You could have it listed as Avila Lagos, Avila hyphen Lagos, or Lagos hyphen Avila. It gets written either way.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Yexer Avila's Lagos Avila. Case number SP 140-82141. Appearance for the record, please.
My name is Neil Brand. I'm acting on authority of Mr. Yexer Lagos because he doesn't speak English. And it's only a civil infraction.
Okay.
Good morning. This is Officer. Good morning. Hi, this is Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, in regarding this matter.
Okay, good morning to you, Officer Harris.
Good morning.
I think he's already worked this out with the city. He's gonna plead to a blocking traffic.
Okay.
You want to talk to Mr. Rosenthal regarding it, or are you okay with that?
Yes, Your Honor. Can I please speak with him because this person never had a driver's license.
Okay. I don't know. Well, what that not. All right, I'll put you in the breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
All right. All right. Hold on, Mr. Brand.
First, I did 7 to your life last night. Oh, hey,
Thank you. All right, Mr. Grimes, we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. Do you have registration and insurance?
Yes, yes, I have both.
All right, we'll once we get to that, I'm sure they're gonna offer you a blocking traffic for that. Let's see the registration and insurance, please.
Okay, 1 second. I actually have it on my phone. Is that all right? Is that okay if I pull it up?
Show it to me. I don't know how you're gonna show it to me on your phone while are you on your phone using the device? However I can see it, I don't mind how you show it to me.
Okay, I'm about to.
Zamora, you're gonna, the people that are waiting on trials are going to have to, we're gonna give the officer a half-hour grace period. You're not scheduled till 9 o'clock. So 9
Okay,
is gonna be the, so you're free to log off and come back in, or you're free to stay if you choose.
okay, I'll come back at 9.
Very well.
Okay, bye.
Is that, Mr. Macaroni?
Yes, I'm the attorney on Danielle Gariffa, Garreffa, traffic matter.
Lattimore, Lee, Roy, Ford. Lattimore, Mr. Lattimore. All right.
How you doing, Your Honor? Can you hear me, Your Honor?
Hold on one second. Corporal McCree, I just put the counsel in on your case in the breakout room. Yeah, Mr. Lattimore, do you have valid registration and insurance?
I did at one point in time, but I don't have that vehicle no more. The day I got stopped, I was
Let
on
me
my
ask
way.
you, do you have any vehicle now?
Yes, I have Denali, but it's down right now.
So do you have registration and insurance for that?
I have registration, but I haven't had the vehicle since it's been down for about like 7 months. So I never renewed my tags on it because I need a motor.
All right, let's see.
But I got the registration to it.
All right, let's see what the city's gonna offer on that.
Okay.
You're at work too?
Yes, I'm at work, and my truck is inside because I do towing, and we have a collision. I mean, a shop, and it's inside the shop getting worked on.
Oh, so you got time now.
Yeah, yeah.
You getting paid on the clock and taking care of this thing and
Yes,
all of
sir.
that.
Well, I think I'm getting paid. I don't know. They might have clocked me out. I don't know.
That's the advantage of Zoom. I got lawyers in here handling 10 different cases now. Right, Mr. Brand?
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I wasn't listening.
No, I said I got lawyers in here handling 10 different cases now, of course, via Zoom. Best thing that ever came out of this pandemic.
Well, it's convenient.
Mr. Chalfont's iPad. The gentleman on the iPad, did he ever, no, he never connected. Hammond's never connected.
Well, I'm on the phone.
On the phone?
Yeah, I got the iPad, but I don't know how to do it. So I guess you're on the
Okay,
phone when I
that's
was
good.
talking.
I just want to know who you are. Let me rename that.
My name is Mario Lewis. I'm using my cousin's
Yeah, I
iPad,
got you.
but I got my phone.
248-812-6931. What's your name, please?
Elliot Gray.
Elliot Gray.
Yes.
All right, good morning to you.
Morning, you Judge.
And then on the Cash Mail Detroit.
Excuse
What's
me.
your name?
Yes, I'm here.
What's your name, sir, on Cash Mail Detroit?
Tramel Greer.
All right, very good. Good morning to you. Fingers out of there. We're gonna get going. Okay, I think we have one lawyer out. Where's Miss? There's Miss Bradfield. All right, I think we can get going. Did you get a resolution, Brian?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes. So I have the screenshots of my policy for my insurance. And the person who has my vehicle at the moment, I've asked them to send me a picture of my registration. It's in the middle part and they at work. And I'm at work also.
All right, I need to see the registration, all right?
Okay, no problem. The moment they send it, I'm gonna send it here in the chat.
Here,
They say I'm able to do that.
let me put my email address in the chat.
Okay. Okay, I see it. Yeah, all I'm waiting on is a picture of that to come through. Okay.
Attorney Hayter, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
It's Mr. Hamoud, Your Honor.
All right, he's here. He never connected to his audio. So you have to tell him to connect to his audio. If this is a civil infraction, it's not necessarily, you can put on the record that you want to waive his appearance, but if it's not a civil infraction, no.
Your Honor, I'm sorry.
He needs to connect his audio.
I'm so sorry, Judge. I hit the wrong button. I didn't hear what you said.
He needs to connect his audio.
Okay. I'll let him know. Should I go into a breakout room, Your Honor?
You can, that you're in breakout room 1, the city attorney's in there, and if it's not starting until 9 o'clock, we'll give the officers a half-hour grace period.
All right, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
On the iPhone there, you have to unmute yourself and turn your camera on. It's a person that's listed at an iPhone. I haven't spoken with you yet. I don't believe him. Can you unmute yourself and put your
Yeah,
right,
I just
let me I have to say this every single day, time and time again. If I have spoken to you already, you don't need to, I'm not talking to you again, unless you left out of the room and came back. I'm talking about somebody that I just put in the room that's on an iPhone that doesn't have a name attached to it. What is your name, please? Unmute yourself and state your name and turn your camera on.
Sandra Wilson. I'm sorry, sir.
That's all right. Sandra
Wilson.
Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, Judge.
And you're gonna need to turn your camera on. Do you have valid insurance, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Do you have, are you able to show the court that?
Yes, sir. I'm actually, I'm at work right now, so I can't leave off the building at this point.
So you're not able to show the court that now?
It's like a yes, but no. Like I said, I'm at work, so it's yes, sir. I
Yes
am.
or no?
Yes,
That's all
sir.
it is.
Yes, sir.
So you're able to, oh, you got more stuff than this anyway, so it doesn't matter. All right. Let's move on. Mr. Brandt, have you taken care of your issue yet?
I paid off all my civil infractions and I'm just waiting to be able to
No,
go.
Mr. Brandt,
Yes.
Attorney Brandt.
Oh,
Okay.
Hey, I'm in court.
Zamora has a trial. Ladder.
Judge, we're ready on that case. We're ready to proceed on that case. No, I spoke with the officer and
Very well.
have a resolution.
Courtroom.
Where is
Open?
Officer Harris?
He represented that blocking was fine and that I could tell you that on the record.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Exer Fernando Lagos Alavila. Counselor Brandt, I've given you an opportunity to retry the case, and it's still the same outcome, right? Blocking traffic.
Yes, I spoke with the prosecutor and I also spoke with the officer and they were willing to move forward with that resolution.
All right, as for your client's presence,
I have authority to act on his behalf, this being a civil infraction. He's here, but he doesn't speak English, so it's easier.
I'm gonna waive your client's presence because you do have that authority. It is a civil infraction. So with that being said, will you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an act of factual basis for that responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
And will you okay, with that stipulation, I'm going to find your client responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can your client pay?
By Tuesday. He could probably pay today, but I'm the one who's gonna have to walk him through it and I can't do it today. So I say,
I'm gonna go ahead and give him until next Friday. Make
okay,
sure it's paid, counselor, pay it in any div that kiosk, the city of Detroit, or come down to the house and pay it. If there's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day. Good luck to you.
okay, did you say the fine amount or not?
$175.
That's okay, I'm right, I was just writing it as you're saying. Okay, thanks, Judge, good to see you again.
All right, very well.
Yexer, hang up.
Okay. If we don't have a retained counsel,
Your Honor, I'm retained, Roger Massaroni, I'm retained on Danielle Garofalo, and we do have a resolution.
This is the city of Detroit versus Danielle Garifa. Case number.
Yes, Your Honor, Garifa, yes.
Case number SP 140750441. Appearance for the record, please.
For the record, Roger Massaroni, P45744, on behalf of Danielle Garifa.
Garifa, okay. Ms. Garifa, can you state your name for the record, please?
I'm just here, Your Honor. It's a civil infraction. I'm just here.
Very well. Put the appearance on your on the record, please, Mr. Massaroni.
It's Roger Massaroni, P45744.
Yeah, put the motion to waive the appearance on the record, please. Mr. Massaro,
Yes,
put your the client's waive on the record. You want to make a motion to waive? the
yes, I'd like to
client's-
make a motion to waive the client's appearance on the record due to the fact of it being a civil infraction.
I'm gonna grant that motion. You have a resolution?
Yes, Your Honor, he was charged with 11 to 15 over. The plea resolution is 1 to 5 over. I do have full authority to enter a plea responsible to 1 to 5 over.
1 to 5, that's just a straight 1 to 5 or limited access 1 to 5?
This is, it's a straight 1 to 5 over.
All right, that's gonna be a 2-point offense.
No, it's a 1-point offense.
Well, I have down here 1 to 5 is a 2-point, but if you say it's a 1 point, then.
Yeah, it's a recent change in the law, Your Honor.
All right, very well, get an updated sheet. 1 to 5, $125. When you stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, with that, I'm gonna find your client responsible for 1 to 5 over $125. When can they pay?
Your Honor, just to be safe, I could ask 14 days.
2/17/2023, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, there's nothing further, counsel. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Judge,
Yes.
I'm sorry, I just clicked back in. Remember, I was telling you I was at work. Did I miss anything? Did you call my name back?
No,
This Sandra Wilson.
I know. Thank you.
Okay.
All right.
Excuse me.
Lock it. Who's that?
Yeah,
All right, let's continue on.
Your Honor, I sent you a chat.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
We'll get to it. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Arthur Lockheed, case number U628192222. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
All right, today is the date and time. Mr. Lockheed, can you state your name for the record, please?
Lockheed.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Sir, your offer is gonna be pleading straight up to this ticket, $240 fine, and I'll dismiss upon payment. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can speak with Mr. Faulkner in a breakout room regarding this. You can't do any worse to go to trial. You can only do better, or it'll stay the same. What would you like to do, sir?
Let's just, I don't want to do no trial. So let's do the fine, I guess. I don't know how it usually go about it, but I'm sure Eric can explain to me in the breakout room.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room so you can get some advice from the council.
All right, thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Please don't interrupt me again. Everybody wants to get out of here. I understand that. And we're gonna do the best we can. I got your email, Mr. Grimes. All right. Let's Mr. Grimes, do we have an offer for Grimes, Miss, he has, I think he's provided, sent me an email address. I haven't seen the email yet. He's got, no insurance, expired plates, and disregard the red signal.
Give me just one moment, Your Honor. Let me
That's
find
set for trial. I don't know if the officer is showed or is gonna show or not, so.
Okay. No, we don't have an offer for him yet.
All right, Mr. Grimes, you're gonna have to wait a minute. To get that off.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
That's it.
That Officer Robinson. W. Robinson. All right, let's move on to, where are these, Michael Garrison, Lee Latimer.
Latimer, I called for the file here.
And Michael Garrison. All right, we don't have the file for those yet.
They're gonna bring them.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Adrian Bianca Green, case number SP 1192217, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 1192281. Okay, that's set for trial as well. So we're gonna pass that matter until we give opportunity for Officer Jones to appear. And he has another 27 minutes, so sit tight, Ms. Green.
Okay.
You said it's set for trial today?
No, actually, I'm sorry, it's set for pre-trial at 9 a.m. I don't know why that's on there. Okay, let's go. Ms. Green, can you state your name for the record, please?
Adrian Green.
And can you put your appearance on the record, Counselor?
Good morning, Your Honor. Daphne Bradfield, P70578 on behalf of Miss Green. State your full name for the record, ma'am.
Adrian Green.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. Do we have a resolution for this?
Yes, we do. But I just want to make sure if she have any documentation first.
Ms. Green, do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance?
I don't have a vehicle, but I have my license.
All right, runner driver's license, please. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's gonna discuss the offer to you, and Ms. Bradfield, can you inform her of her advice or rights, please?
I sure will.
All right, thank you much.
Your Honor, I couldn't get Lockhart out of the,
Lockheed is in the breakout room.
yeah, I can't get him out.
Oh, I can pull him out. Are you ready on him?
Yes.
Okay, very well. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Arthur Lockheed. Mr.
I'm here.
Did we find his file?
Yeah, well, he's out here.
Yeah, here he is. I don't have an actual ticket here, Mr. Faulkner. I just have a ROA, but your client indicated before he went into the breakout room that he wants to hurry up and get this over with, so.
Well, he's not hurrying up anymore.
Uh,
I can't.
We're requesting a bench trial date, John.
All right, very well. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yeah, yeah.
2023. All right, your trial date is going to be March the 16th, 2023 at 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
Okay, let me repeat this. You said March the 16th at what time?
At 9 a.m.
9 a.m. Thank you.
All right, have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too, sir.
Is that Officer Willie Robinson?
It is, sir. Good morning. How you doing?
Good morning. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room.
Thank you.
Yeah, I do have Adrian.
Okay, you want to.
Cedric, who is Cedric?
Sir, I'm a police officer as well.
Okay, put you in a breakout room.
Thanks, sir.
And who is Mike?
This is me. Got
What is your last name, Mike?
Oraha, Oraha. It's under Majid Oraha. My nickname is Mike.
Majid.
Yep. Yes, sir.
For trial, do you have an attorney?
I'm sorry?
Do you have an attorney?
No, I don't.
Okay, very well. Sit tight, please.
Yep. Thank you.
All right. All right, I got the basic improvement class passed by Mr. Grimes, and I have registration, and I do have a policy, but it's not showing me much information about expiration date or anything. Let me see if I can open it up.
One second, I'll see another one.
All right, let's move on to, let's see what LaFleur has.
And we are ready on Adrian Green whenever you are ready, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Yeah, let's go back on the record with Ms. Green. Ms. Bradfield, I've given you an opportunity to speak to your client in the breakout room. What's your client want to do?
Ms. Green is aware of her trial rights. However, she would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation that if she was to plead to improper plate, the other 3 misdemeanors will be dismissed. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Green?
Correct.
I'm gonna fine you if you enter into this plea $240, and I'll dismiss upon payment, and I'll dismiss the other charges.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you.
I'm gonna fine you $240 if you take this plea. I'll dismiss upon payment. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it does not carry any points. You still want to enter into this agreement now?
Yes, I'll pay the
Can you raise your right hand,
$230.
please?
No, I'm sorry.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can put your hand down, please. Ma'am, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fine?
Yes.
All right, counsel went over your advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
Do you understand those rights, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
You have any questions about those rights?
No.
You know you'll be giving up those rights once you enter into this plea?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
All right, let me draw your attention back to April the 24th, 2021, at around 8:53 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Monroe and Brush Street, ma'am. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes, I did.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day, ma'am?
Yes, I did.
And the officer asked you about having the plates, something wrong with the plates on that vehicle you're operating?
Yes, he did.
What was wrong with them, ma'am?
I just had bought the car. So when I bought the car, the guy had a paper plate in the back of it. So I was driving because I bought the car from down there downtown. So I was driving to get on the freeway and I knew he was going to hop behind me because the plate was messed up. I guess the paper plate, it wasn't right. So when he hopped behind me, he asked me for my ID. I gave him my ID.
All right, let's
And
get the short story, ma'am. The plate on the paper plate on the vehicle was not supposed to be attached to that vehicle. Was that what you're saying?
Correct.
Very well. Are you satisfied, Counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, I'm satisfied as well. I'm gonna find you guilty of the as charged, the improper plates, $240 fine. I told you I dismiss upon payment with stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matters now.
We stipulate the probable cause, Your Honor.
Very well. Miss Green, when can you pay?
I get paid every 2 weeks. So I get paid on the 10th, I think. So the 11th or the 12th, I can pay it.
All right, to be safe, I'm gonna give you till 2/17/2023. I'm gonna set it for review on that Friday. You come back in first thing in the morning, we'll look it up and make sure you paid. We'll dismiss it if you got it paid, all right?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, ma'am, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day. Good luck to you, all right?
All right. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
Judge, I apologize. Can I be put in a breakout room? Can I be put back?
who's that? Who's that?
I had to call him. And then
Who's the one that called? Who's the one that just said that? All right, let's move on. Whatever happened to the floor?
Right here?
No, I'm trying to find his file. What happened to the floor? Okay, let's go on.
Mario Lewis, we can hear you talking, Mr. Lewis. Please mute your device.
All right, let's go with, this is the city of Detroit versus Lee Roy Latimer IV. Case number SP 11-83072, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
How you doing, Your Honor? Representative defendant, yeah.
Okay, state your name for the record, Mr. Latimer.
Lee Lattimore.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Waive the reading and stand mute, Your Honor.
We'll enter not guilty plea on his behalf. We'll give him a $0 bond. He's got this insurance and registration. He indicated to the court that he's got registration, but the insurance, the vehicle's down. You know, the unfortunate part about it, what I can do, sir, is I can give you some time to put some insurance on the vehicle. Other than that, your offer is going to be pleading to the amended count of improper plate, $240 fine, and we'll dismiss the ticket. Now I'll let you have the opportunity of putting that $240 toward the insurance, bringing in a valid registration and insurance the next time, and then we'll dismiss the case.
Okay, I got a question, Your Honor. So the vehicle that I got pulled over, I no longer have.
We had this discussion, sir. I'm giving you an opportunity.
Okay, yeah. Okay, I got you. I'll do that. I get some insurance on the truck.
All right. When you gonna have some insurance and get a valid registration?
All right. Well, this is my first week back to work. I had weight loss surgery, so this Tuesday was my first day back to work.
You don't have to tell all your business.
Oh,
just
well.
put a date. Just put a date on it,
In 2 weeks.
sir.
2 weeks from today.
In 2
2 weeks.
weeks.
2 weeks from today. Yeah.
That's it. That's what my father told. That's what my father used to tell me when I owed him some money. He didn't want to hear all the excuses and all the story. He told me just to put a date on it.
Gotcha.
Pre-trial. 2 weeks. Friday, February 17th,
Okay.
2023 at 8:30. Bring
8:30.
valid registration and insurance, all right?
All right.
Nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
You as well. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
LaFleur,
Yes,
good morning,
Hey,
Chief.
good morning.
This is the city of Detroit versus Dante LeRae LaFleur. Case numbers SP 141-8646, counts 1, 2, and 3. And SP 141-8647, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. LaFleur.
Mr. LaFleur, state your name for the record.
Dante Marcus LaFleur.
No, this is not the right LaFleur. All right, strike that from the record. I need Dante Marcus LaFleur. That's my fault. Let's see if Marcus LaFleur is in any better position than LeRae LaFleur. About the same. All right, let's strike that from the record. This is the city of Detroit versus Dante Marcus LaFleur, case number SP 136-92431, SP 136-9271, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Call the representative. Go ahead, brother.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. LaFleur. State your name for the record, sir.
Dante Marcus LaFleur.
Mr. LaFleur, you got all kind of super lawyers wanting to represent you. You just got it like that.
Give me the best one.
Well, hey, both of them are bad, and not bad meaning bad, but bad meaning good. So you take your pick.
Doesn't matter.
Let's see, Mr. LaFleur, do you have an offer, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, I do, Your Honor. If he were to plead to the driving in an unsafe manner, which is a 2-point offense, it'll be reduced down to limited access speeding 1 to 5 over, which is a 0-point offense, and the other 3 matters will be dismissed.
I mean, I have the proof of insurance.
Yeah, that doesn't really matter. You know why? Because it's running these red lights and driving in an unsafe manner, which could be speeding or something like that. That is really the other things will be dismissed. So what basically counsel is saying is they'll allow you to plead to the driving to the unsafe manner. We'll amend it to a limited access 1 to 5. That's a 0-point offense, $125 fine, but that does abstract to the Secretary of State. I don't know if they're willing to go any lower than that if you take the driving class or not. But the only other thing lower than that is a blocking traffic, and that does not abstract to the Secretary of State. You have an absolute right to a trial. You can speak to Ms. Bradfield in the breakout room if you choose, or you can take the deal. Or you can
Deal
see
what, $125?
Yeah, or you can see if she can get the city attorney to let you take the class, and he'll give you the blocking traffic.
Now, how much was the blocking traffic?
I would want that too if it were me. So Ms. Bradfield, why don't you get in contact with Mr. Rosenthal and see if that's an option?
Okay, I will.
You have his cell phone number?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very well. Let's pass this matter. I put the class in the chat, sir, and I don't have anything but ROAs, but if he gets that blocking traffic, I'm sure that they'll take it. But I'll put the class in the chat, and we'll give Ms. Bradfield an opportunity to see if she can advocate on your behalf and see what she comes up with.
Okay.
Let's pass that matter. Let's go ahead to Mario Lewis. And this is the city of Detroit. versus Mario Orlando Lewis. Case number, another ticket that I don't have an actual complaint for, I just have an ROA. Case number U637388922. Appearance for the record, please.
Al Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir? What was the
Mario
defendant?
Lewis, can you unmute yourself and state your name for the record, please?
He's on a cell phone or
Yeah, you gotta, if you're on the phone, press *6 to unmute yourself.
*6. Oh, okay. There you go. Okay.
All right, Mr. Lewis, state your name for the record, please.
Mario Lewis.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. You got two options, Mr. Lewis. I don't have a actual complaint, Mr. Faulkner. I don't know if one will arrive by the date of trial, but you know what I do with those tickets if I don't get an actual complaint. Or if the officer doesn't show up, we'll dismiss at the date of trial. Or you can take a amended count of disorderly conduct, sir, and you'll have to pay a $240 fine, take a misdemeanor morality class, and get testing done, which will be private to you. I can put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner. Let me do that. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Faulkner. You can discuss your options with him, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, Mr. Faulkner. Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything on Mr. LaFloria?
Yes, he said that if he could provide insurance also when he come back.
He'll give him the blocking traffic?
Yes.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Dante Marcus LaFleur. Mr. LaFleur, Ms. Bradfield has had an opportunity to speak with the city attorney, and he will amend the offer to a blocking traffic if you take the driving course and bring in valid insurance on the day of the next court hearing.
Oh, you said a driving class?
Yep, I put it in the chat. The driver's class I put in the chat. If you go down there and look at the chat, I'm gonna repopulate it. It's got the information to the class. I would like you to send me the certificate before you get into court next time.
Oh, so where it's a Zoom meeting for the class?
It's an online class.
I have to find it and pull it up.
He just put it in the chat for you. Tap chat at the bottom of your screen and you should see it.
Okay.
How long is it gonna take you to complete that class, sir?
Do I have to pay for it or I have to just go online?
Yeah, you gotta pay for everything.
How much is the class?
I don't know, $40, $50. I don't know. I've never taken it before.
Okay. I have to go.
Pardon me?
I said I will have to go on there and find out.
Yes, I think it's about $40 or something.
Okay. Well, soon as I can, I guess.
All right, so you tell me. Put a date on it.
Let's try Friday. Next Friday.
You want to get this done next Friday? You can get it done that quick. I can give you next Friday.
I mean, yeah, Friday for the class, but I don't know what the rest of the payment is going to be. The fees after the class.
There's going to be $175 after if you bring in the class and proof of the insurance, which you say you have already, but just bring it back on that day. And then take the class, send me the certificate ahead of time. I will take a screenshot of that information. It's got the class in there and it's got my email address in there. And then come back, bring $175. I'm giving you how much ever time you need to take the class was reasonable.
Okay.
And what do you need? You need 2 weeks, you need 3 weeks, or you need
2 weeks ago.
All right, so you want to come back in 2 weeks?
Yes.
All right, very well. I'm going to give your client till February 17th, 2023. On that date, bring in $175, bring in certificate to the class that completed the class, and bring in that insurance that you have, and then we will give you the blocking traffic. That's a 0-point offense. It does not abstract to the Secretary of State. Is akin to an expensive parking ticket. If there's nothing further, sir, you have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right.
You too. Have a great day, y'all.
Thank you.
You too.
Your Honor, I need Mario Lewis taken out of the breakout room. He's on a phone, so I can't do it.
I got you. All right.
Judge Perkins,
Yes.
I apologize. I have a settlement conference in Wayne Circuit at 9:30.
All right. Well, who's your client?
I'm here on behalf of the client. The officer is here.
And who is that? Who's
The
client?
officer?
Who's
The
client?
the client is, last name is Oyellour.
O-U-Y?
O-U.
No, O in Damascus?
Demicus, yes.
Damascus, all right, where's the, did you come to a resolution?
Well, the officer's in the breakout room, but he's gonna wait on the prosecutor.
Yeah, well, I can't do anything until you get that resolution. You can go to the settlement conference and come back, counselor.
Can I do that, even if it may be about an hour?
Well, let the officer know.
Okay. So
All right.
if we're in agreement to come back around 10:30, would that be
Yeah,
fine
well,
with the
I'll
court?
still be here. I'm not going anywhere.
Okay.
All right.
I might not be here.
Huh? You don't want to be here, Mr. Buckley? I know you.
I said I just might not be here. I didn't say I wouldn't be here.
Oh, yeah, well, we all have that possibility of might not being here. Let's see. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Mario Orlando Lewis. Mr. Lewis, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Contingency not guilty plea, question the bench trial date.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Lewis?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
I'm going to give you a trial date of March the 16th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay.
If it's nothing further, sir, I wish you the best of luck. I'll see you back on March the 16th, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Very well. Have a great day.
You too.
Good morning.
Raina. Oh, I'm sorry.
That's
Good
all
morning.
right. That's all right.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
She's laser focused on what she's got to do.
Yes.
All right, let's get Randall. Let's get Randall Grant. I don't see him on the docket.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What brings you in here today, Mr. Grant?
He's on the 8:30 docket, Your Honor.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Randall Kenneth Grant. Case numbers SP 115174441 and SP 126222241. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Grant. State your name for the record, please.
Randall Kenneth Grant.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial, no, strike that. Arraignment on the bench warrant on one and a show cause on the other. As for purposes of arraignment, Counselor, go ahead.
He stand mute and wait for my readings, Your Honor.
And will enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Grant, do you have valid insurance?
Fortunately, I don't. I could obtain it, but my license got suspended, so I couldn't.
Yeah, he's something's going on with his there's something going on with the transmission of his device.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
I tried to show, but fortunately, my license was suspended, so I was unable to.
Well, you got to get a better connection. All I heard was he doesn't have a valid insurance.
I tried. Look, I tried to.
Turn your camera off, sir. Do that first.
Okay.
See if that helps.
Know how to. Okay. How about now? Is that better?
You didn't turn the camera off, but yeah, that seems to be better. Go ahead.
I tried to obtain insurance, but I was unaware that my license was suspended, so I was unable to get insurance.
You want me to give you some time to get insurance, sir?
They said I couldn't get it without a valid license.
Oh, you want me to give you some time to get a valid license, or you want me to, or you can take the offer of improper plates, $240 fine will dismiss everything, or you can set the matter for trial.
I'll take the offer. Oh, I'm sorry. I'll take the offer.
All right. Everybody's flush with cash today. I wish I had cash like that. Improper plate. You know, dismiss upon payment. Dismiss the other matter. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Miss Bradfield and allow her to give you your advice and rights, and maybe you can ask her a few questions if you need to. Join the room, please.
Okay. How do I do?
Let's pass that matter.
How do I go
Okay.
to?
The gentleman on the Moto G Pure is not here. Mr.
Yes.
Officer Weldon. Officer Weldon, I have Mr. Grimes here, and Mr. Grimes is he indicates that he has valid registration and insurance. And he sent me a copy of the policy in my email address. So I'll put you in a breakout room to speak with counsel regarding the offer.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Your Honor.
I don't know how long it's gonna take counsel to get in there. Okay,
Okay, no problem.
all right, on the Moto G Pure XT, the gentleman up there in the shearling coat,
Yes.
what's your name, sir? Elliot Gray?
Yes.
All right. This is the city of Detroit versus Elliot Gray, case number ST119198841. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Gray, state your name for the record, please.
Elliot Gray.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Gray, you got one or two options. Since there's no reduction in this type of case, you can pay the $240 and admit guilt and automatically get 2 points on your license a misdemeanor on your record, an alcohol-related misdemeanor on your driving record, or you can take it to trial and see if you can do better. What would you like to do? I can let you speak to Mr. Faulkner in a breakout. You choose.
Okay.
You want to speak to Mr. Faulkner?
Yeah, I mean, I know I like to take it to trial.
All right, well, if you know that, you don't need to speak to Mr. Faulkner right now. You can talk to him when you come back, if he's here on March the 16th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, that's gonna be your date, sir. If it's nothing further, March 16th, 2023, 9 a.m. Nothing further. You have a very good day. Be safe out there. I'll see you back then.
All right. You too. Thank you, Judge.
Very well. Counselor Hayter, are you ready, sir?
Good morning, Your Honor. I am ready.
And who is your client?
Hussein Hamoud.
Hussein Hamoud. Okay, let's see.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Hamoud. Hussein Hamoud. Let's see. Let's get Mr. Hamoud's file, please. For trial. City of Detroit versus Hussein Hamoud, case number SP 139-09061. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant. Your name?
Well, it's got to retain. You got to
Oh,
retain.
okay.
Go ahead, Mr. Hayter. Where'd he go? We lost him. There he goes again. Go ahead, Counselor. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Oh, he's not on yet. All right, Counselor, can you put your appearance on the record, please? Mr. Hayter? I don't know what's going on with his device.
I think you lost him again.
It's a dismissal. Is there an Officer Vogel here? Vogel?
Your Honor,
Go ahead. Go ahead, Mark.
my apologies. Somebody called right in. I hit the wrong button. I lost you.
Go ahead, Counsel. Put your appearance on the record, please.
Your Honor, Mark Hyder for Mr. Hamoud.
All right, a P number, please.
P35-143, Your Honor.
I got that time, Ms. Williams Law. All right, Mr. Hamoud, can you state your name for the record?
Hussein Hamoud.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Is there an Officer Vogel? Officer Vogel, having not seen that officer join the breakout room, it is now 9:39. That officer had a half-hour grace period. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, I do move to dismiss at this time.
All right, no Officer Vogel, right? All right, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss based on no officer. If it's nothing further, you and your client have a very good day. Good to see you.
Your Honor, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
All right, on the iPhone, who's on the iPhone again?
I'm sorry, Judge. I was able to get back in. I told you I was at work, so I can't be on the phone. It kept clicking on and off. My signal's bad in here. This Sandra Wilson.
Very well.
Did I miss anything?
No, you didn't. Let's see, Sandra Wilson is, you got all of these tickets. If you didn't have all these tickets, then it would be a lot
That's
easier.
what, and that's funny. That's funny, Judge. I didn't even know I had a court date with you today. I knew I had 2 tickets for sure, that I had to call and get proof of. And so happened I called on the 36th district. She told me I had a court date with you this morning, and then she bought up other tickets, and I'm like, from where? Like, did they turn into warrants? Was it? I'm lost. I never got any court dates and any tickets that came to my house but 2. Which is the 2 that I called about yesterday. And then the court date that I got with you today, she said that the court was me letting you know why I missed the court that I had from you last time. I didn't even know that I had a court date with you last time. And that was proof of registration. Because at the time my car got hit, I didn't.
She's on going, doesn't she?
Say it again.
She does not stop, does she?
Non-stop.
Not
Oh,
stop. Ever
I'm
since she
sorry,
came in
Judge.
here, she's been rolling. This is the city of Detroit versus Sandra Mona Wilson. Case number SP 1250247, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1276431, count 1. SP 1276444, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1276446, SP 1366419, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1419665, and we'll call 15412322 into the record. Appearance, please.
Paul Faulkner, representative. Oh, go ahead, Dan.
Go ahead.
Paul Faulkner, representative defendant, yeah.
Okay, Ms. Wilson, can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning, everyone. My name is Sandra Wilson.
All right, turn your camera on, please, ma'am.
My screen is cracked, sir.
All right, we're gonna have to have you back so we can see who we're talking to, all right? Well, as it relates to what is this set for? As it
There's
relates
one.
to the show causes, counselor?
There's only one, I think, on the docket.
Because it's probably all Miss Taylor's stuff. She got the ticket out of Southwest Detroit. What I would suggest is just let's send Miss Wilson on to her alphabet judge, Judge Marlena Taylor. Let's get a pretrial date from Judge Taylor for Miss Wilson, since all of these tickets, and she can determine what she wants to do with these civil infractions and all of these other matters. You come to me, ma'am, because you got at least 1 ticket out of Southwest Detroit. And all the tickets out of Southwest Detroit come to me, regardless of last name. But if it's not from Southwest Detroit, then I get tickets only with the last names G, L, or O. So most of your infractions are not from Southwest Detroit.
I'm sorry, I don't even recall having one in Southwest. That's why I'm lost at. I just remember the Detroit, the 2 tickets I got in Detroit.
Downtown is 2, so that may be one of the reasons why you're here.
Okay.
You got a ticket downtown, maybe. That's the 4th precinct. I should just say the 4th precinct.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you Judge Taylor's Zoom ID when you're ready.
I'm ready, sir.
Okay. Let's see. That would be 360-337-0000.
You said 36. You said 36 what?
0.
360. 337.
0000.
And that's Judge Taylor.
Yeah, her courtroom phone number, just in case you need it, is 965-2293.
2293.
Yeah, I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give her a $0 bond. And your next court date is gonna be March the 13th, 2023. We'll recall any warrants that are outstanding. And, you know, I can't really give any advice because of the nature of my job. I'm not allowed to give any advice, but I can say this. Old lawyer told me one day, don't talk, you just might walk. I don't know if that was Mr. Faulkner or not, but you do a lot of talking, ma'am. Next time, do that talking in the breakout room with the lawyer and run all your conversations through that lawyer, all right?
You said, okay, is this March 13th court date with you?
No, it's gonna be with Judge Taylor.
The court date is gonna be with Mitch Taylor?
Yes, on all the matters.
Okay, am I switching over my Zoom meeting from you to Taylor right now, or just give her a call for March?
All right, let's get this together. You have another court date on March the 13th with Judge Taylor. You don't have to do anything but Zoom in that morning at 8:35 on March the 13th, okay?
Okay.
All right, you understand where I'm coming from now?
Yes, I do. Thank you. Y'all have a blessed day.
You have a better one. Have a great day.
John Zamora is no police officer. We could get that call. Yes.
All
I don't think I haven't.
Did we have somebody that we had sitting aside? What about Mr. Grant? Let's go back on the record, Mr. Randall Kenneth Grant. Did you get an opportunity to speak with the lawyer, Mr. Grant?
Yes, I did, Your Honor.
All right, and who's on that case?
I am, Your Honor, Attorney
All right,
Bradfield.
I'll give you, let's go back on the record with Randall Kenneth Grant. I'll give you an opportunity, sir, to speak with the counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is aware of his trial rights. However, he would like to enter a guilty plea and accept the people's recommendation. Is that correct, sir?
Yes.
All right, can you raise your right hand, please, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, you understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Bradfield went over your advice of rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
And did you understand those rights, sir?
Yes, I did.
And do you have any questions about those rights?
No, I don't, Your Honor.
All right, you know you'll be giving up those rights when you take this deal, right?
Yes, I do.
All right, let me draw your attention back to January the 5th, 2021 at around, what do we have? 11:10 a.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of all right, what I'm going to do now is I am going to dismiss both matters. Mr. Grant paid a related civil infraction for the speeding ticket. He signed up for 2 points on his driver's license by paying that civil infraction. And I think that will be enough. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I'll waive the warrant fee as well. There's
Thank you, Your
nothing further, Mr. Grant. Have a very good day. Good luck to you. All right, let's go to the city of Detroit versus Christina Marie Zamora, case number SP 123-8828, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, ma'am?
Christina Zamora.
Your Honor, I believe the day's date, time set for trial. The officer has not appeared that I know of. Move to dismiss.
All right, Officer Rodriguez, Officer Rodriguez. Hearing no response and have not put that officer in the breakout room. Let's see, is that Cedric Rodriguez? Let's see. No, that's Jay Rodriguez. I'm going to dismiss the case. I'm going to grant your motion to dismiss no officer.
Thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
You too. Thank you.
Judge, I had two officers call me. Pre-home.
Yeah, they were here. McCree's here. He was here. I didn't see Officer Thurman. I didn't see Officer Thurman. Let's see with Garrison. I have nothing but ROAs here. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Michael Caleb Garrison. Case number SP 126-38871. SP 126-42691. SP 126-43051. SP 137-2649, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant.
Go ahead.
Told you, Mr. Garrison, you got two of lawyers waiting in line to represent you. State your name for the record, Mr. Garrison.
Michael Garrison.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Do we have an offer? I only have ROAs, a stack full of ROAs here. Do we have an offer?
I do not have one, Your Honor.
Do you have
Daphne.
an offer, Mr. Garrison, Ms. Bradfield?
Yes, the offer is if he was to plead to failure to display, one count of failure to display and one count of expired plates, the balance will be dismissed.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Mrs. Bradfield. Put your appearance on the record for Mr. Garrison.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Garrison.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. Join the breakout room, advise him of his rights if he wants to take the deal. That's gonna be a $240 fine for the failure to display. It's gonna likely trigger an additional suspension. And then it will be $145 for the expired plates. Again, I only have ROAs from Mr. Garrison. If there's
Thank you, Your Honor.
Join the room, please. All right. Chalfont's iPad. Who is Chalfont again? Officer Thurman. Chalfont's iPad. Ramirez, Gilbert Ramirez.
Yes, good morning, Judge.
Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Gilbert Ramirez, case number SP 130-71321. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Ramirez Gilbert.
Ramirez Gilbert, I'm sorry. Oh, we've got some more stuff sitting here, Mr. Faulkner.
Yeah, he just has one on the docket.
The rest of these are civil infractions. No, one is a license issue as well.
Judge, if I may.
Hold on a second. You want to talk to? Go ahead.
No, I'm sorry, sir. No, I'll wait till you finish, sir.
Are you, what's your date of birth, please?
December the 8th, 1982.
All right, let's also call the city of Detroit versus Ramirez Gilbert, case number 227-43005, counts 1 and counts 2, and 227-430-061. Appearance for the record, Mr. Parker.
Paul Faulkner representing the defendant. Your name, sir?
Ramirez Gilbert.
All right, let's deal with the one is set for pretrial and the other one's warrant status. Go ahead for the arraignment, counselor.
Your Honor, McClatt, Wade's formal reading stands mute.
Willing or not guilty plea on your client's behalf, we'll give your client a $0 bond. And I think obviously that the offer, if you had one, I don't think, let me ask you this, do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Run his driver's license. I don't think it's gonna be valid, but I could be wrong. Stranger things have happened.
Your Honor, when you're done, if I may, Your Honor.
Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. This is a matter that I came before you already last year, Your Honor, right before your birthday. You and I had, you gave me a nice deal where they gave me blocking traffic down to 175. The officer showed up. I talked to you. You gave me that deal because you say my birthday was coming up. You were in a good mood that day. You gave me 2 weeks to pay. When I went to go pay, on the kiosk, all 3 tickets still popped up. So when I originally called your clerk, your court clerk, she said she was going to get with the court reporter. And this was last month. They never got back with me. That's when she rescheduled it for trial. And she said you didn't remember once you got back from your vacation either. So this is a matter that I already really had got resolved, sir. That I had got dropped down to the plea resolve was for 175, but some kind of way in the system it showed up as I didn't even show up to court.
All right. So let me make a comment on all of that, right? First of all, I'm always in a good mood. You know what I'm saying? It wasn't just that day, but I was probably particularly in a good mood because it was my birthday and I was happy to see another number, you know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
You didn't pay the 175. You appeared to, you didn't pay the 175 first and foremost.
I called your clerk the same day when I was 2 days before I was scheduled to pay because I was wondering why all the tickets had still popped up. And she told me she was going to get back with me. And by me having a job that I drive, they pull my driver's license all the time. That's when they showed me that I had a warrant for my arrest. That's when I talked to her, and she pulled the warrant for my arrest and issued me another court date, Your Honor. I made sure I handled your business when you told me, Your Honor. I wasn't going to play with that.
Run his driver's license, please. All right, we'll try to get down to the bottom of it. Just give me a minute.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right.
Your Honor, I'll go off the record until you come back with the information. Just no.
I didn't get that, Ms. Williams-Law.
I was just saying, if it's taking a minute to pull the driver's license, I'm just going to say I'm going off, but I'll go back on as soon as we are ready.
Do you need a minute?
No, we can stay on. That's fine.
All right, well, we're gonna go off on that. We'll get another case call.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. You had called Officer Thurman.
Yeah, Officer Thurman, what time did you get here?
I've been in here since 9 a.m.
Okay. All right, we're waiting on the city attorney for you all, I'm gonna assign you to breakout room 1, and we need to get him in the breakout room. I'm gonna send him a message.
Okay, sir.
All right.
I do recall him calling me, and I think I couldn't find anything So I just put it back.
Well, it appears that he's telling us that's.
I believe that he
Can we
did.
get his old file because he it was a
Let
blocking
me
file?
see if I can pull it.
And that would generally be the all.
And we are ready on Garrison whenever you're ready, Your Honor.
Let me check my emails.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Michael Caleb Garrison. Mr. Garrison, I've given you an opportunity, sir, to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, I did speak to Mr. Garrison. We're going to ask these matters be set for a bench trial. Is that correct, Mr. Garrison?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
All right, very well. Mr. Garrison, I'm going to set you a bench trial for March the 16th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right? On all the matters.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank
I'll
you.
see you back March 16th.
You too. Have a good day. March 16th at 9 a.m. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
It wasn't anything else. I couldn't find
March
it.
16th,
So
9 a.m.
at record, that's what she told me. So I put it back on the docket so we can put it back on the record. I highlighted.
Okay. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Ramirez Gilbert. Mr. Gilbert, that was correct, what you said about the blocking traffic. SP 1307132 count 1 is going to be dismissed. And SP 1307132 is going to be blocking traffic. Ah, 175 2274 30051 counts 1 and counts 2, and 2274 30061. We will offer you a blocking traffic for driving the wrong way up the street. That's what the allegation is. That's another 175, and in the interest of justice, we will dismiss the other 2 cases. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes, that's still the 175, Your Honor.
Yeah, so now you got 2 175s to pay, all right?
How was that originally? It was just 1, Your Honor.
Okay, did you just not hear me? I said for the original was the 175. That's still not paid. So you have to,
because if you, no, I'm sorry.
Okay, because of the mistake on our end. But just because of the mistake doesn't mean you didn't owe it, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you owe that, and then you got an allegation of wrong way driving up a street. That's a point offense. Now, whether you want to contest that or not, if you want to contest that you weren't going the wrong way, then you can have a formal hearing. And the other 2 cases, the no registration and expired license, I'm dismissing those 2 cases because I'm accepting your representation that, but for the fact that we didn't get this other thing wrong, you wouldn't have an expired license. But that still doesn't negate the fact that the allegation of the wrong way driving is still there. So in order to avert points, I'm giving you another blocking traffic, $175. And then you're gonna have 0 points, and we'll dismiss the other cases.
Okay, can I get a month to pay 30 days to pay those?
You certainly may. All right, do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So you're basically in the same position that you were before, but you got the other ticket for driving up the wrong way or the street.
Your Honor, just so we clear, all these tickets was the same tickets that all got put to one. I didn't get that after the fact, Your Honor.
Let me see. All right, you got the tickets on 1/28/2022. The ticket, that was the first set of tickets that you were in here on. January 28, 2022. The other allegations were made the day before, January 27, 2022. So they didn't happen on the same day, just one day before. Right?
Yes, sir.
And what you're saying is
we had went to court when I had went to court originally. They combined all 5 tickets originally together when I spoke with the prosecutor.
Yeah, we didn't look into that deep. All right, I'm gonna accept your representation, and I'll dismiss the other stuff. That's absolutely what I would have done, is combining them all together. There's no question about that. Whether that happened this time or not, I'm gonna accept your representation that was the agreement. And I'm gonna dismiss the 2274-3005 counts 1 and counts 2, 2274-30061. And dismiss SP 1307131, and you'll pay the 175 on SP 1307132. We'll get it right on our end this time. $175, sir. When can you pay?
Can I still get 30 days for that, Your Honor? Because I was ready at the time. But if you can, if not, 2 weeks would be fine.
I'm gonna give you 2 weeks.
Okay, Your Honor.
2 weeks, we'll get this matter closed out. And if there's nothing further, sir, good luck to you. Have a very good day. We'll make sure that we get it right on our end this time. All right?
Thank you.
All right, sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you.
All right. Okay, let's go with Tremel Greer.
Tremel Greer.
Do we have an offer for Mr. Greer?
Yes, I'm here, Mel Greer.
Give me just 1 moment, Your Honor. Trying to find him on the document. No, Your Honor.
We don't have an offer, so we don't have an offer yet for you, sir. Let's get, I just summons Mr. Rosenthal to the breakout room because we have, here he is now.
Let me text him, Your Honor.
No, he's coming in now. Let's put him in the breakout room so we can get some of these trials out of here. I'm gonna put, good morning, Mr. Rosenthal. I'm putting you back in the breakout room. Speak to the officers. I have a formal hearing for Christopher Willie Robinson is here, but I don't have an actual ticket. Okay.
Hello, Tremel Green.
Tremel Green. We need an
I mean, I
offer.
think Tremel, yeah.
We need an offer. Rhymes, we need to get out of here. That's gonna be the first one we're gonna handle. I suspect that's gonna be a blocking traffic, but let the officer speak to Mr. Rosenthal. Mr. Rosenthal, are you there? Mr. Rosenthal.
He's connecting.
Oh, he's connecting, okay. All right, let's see who's on the phone at 313-915-1779.
That's me, Tyrell Lee.
Tyrell Lee. Good morning to
Yes.
you.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, let's see what he's set for.
Trial, Your Honor. Officer Matthews.
Officer Matthews is here.
They gonna call this my number.
And who's the person on the phone at 313-539-1815?
Willie Smith, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, Mr. Smith.
Good morning. Good morning.
Let's see what he's set for.
Hello?
Yes.
You asked, well, I didn't hear you.
I just want to see what you're set for. I don't have Billy Smith on my docket.
It was for a Zoom court meeting, but I don't have a phone for a Zoom. And they gave me this number to call.
Let's see where you're supposed to be, Mr. Smith. I don't know if you're supposed to be here or not. Smith?
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Sounds like
Hello?
a civil infraction. What is your middle name?
Willie Edward Smith.
Willie Edward Smith Jr.?
Yes, Willie Edward Smith Jr.
Wow, there's a frequent flyer. All right, let's see. Looks like you're supposed to be in Ruth Garrett's courtroom. Let's see, arraignment today at 1:30. In Ruth Garrett.
Yes.
All right, so you're in the wrong courtroom, but you're very early. You don't have to be there till 1:30. Let me get you the information to Attorney Garrett, Judge Garrett's courtroom.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, you got an ink pen, sir?
1 second. Hello? What is, yes, I'm here.
All right, the number is gonna be, the Zoom number is gonna be 360.
Yeah, excuse me, Your Honor, I didn't mean to interrupt you, but that's what they told me. I don't have no Zoom phone, so I could do that, so they gave me nothing.
The same way you call in now, sir, you would just call in the same way, and you would put this Zoom ID in.
Okay, I'm sorry, I apologize.
So 360-333-0000.
Okay, thank you.
And then the phone number, if you have some trouble, is 313-965-2286.
2286. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you.
You too. Have a blessed.
Okay.
Thank you.
Mr. Rosenthal, good morning to you again. I have Mr. Grimes here. He's been here. And the Mr. Rosenthal? Oh, he's in the breakout room. Let's let him go in there and get an offer for Mr. Grimes, Mr. Faulkner. He's given me documentation for insurance and plate, and he's got the disregard and the red signal. The officer is here.
Grimes. What's this for? What's Grimes first?
Dante Lamar Grimes.
Dante Grimes. Okay, I'll go in.
Okay. Majan Oriya.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir. Let's get this file and see if we have an officer here. Timothy Clark. I don't see Timothy Clark, Officer Clark here. This is the city of Detroit versus Majad O'Hara.
Oraha.
Say that again.
Oraha.
O'Raha.
Yes, sir.
Case number B50127222, B50127322, B50147822. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. O'Raha. State your full name for the record, sir.
Majid Oraha.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for trial. The officer has failed to appear. Motion to dismiss all matters.
All right, Officer Timothy Clark, I do have some information, certificate of compliance. In here.
Hello?
Yes.
Well, you calling for Mr. Lee?
No, Mr. Lee, no.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna grant your motion to dismiss based on no officer, all right?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Lee?
No, Mr. Lee.
Oh. Okay, because they'll get me in 2 different courtrooms.
Have a very good day. Good luck to you, all right?
I'm all set, you say? Excuse me, talking to
You're
me.
all set. Cases are gonna be dismissed.
Thank you so much. You guys have a great day.
You too.
And that's not Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee, I haven't called your name yet. Hold on a second.
Okay.
So I can leave right now?
There you go.
I'm sorry.
You may leave.
All right, thank you.
Ready on Grimes, Your Honor.
All right, this is the city of Detroit. This is Dante Lamar Grimes, case number SP1304319, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir? Mr. Grimes, your name?
Dante Lamar Grimes.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation to dismiss all matters.
Okay. All right. I'm sure Mr. Grimes is not going to object to that. I'm going to say dismiss. Let's get this Weldon in here. Is he here?
He was there when he was in on the plea bargaining, Your Honor.
And he just left. I'll put him on the record.
No, he went. He's on 2 other courts, but he said he didn't.
I'll just mark it down on the file that he appeared.
Yes, Your Honor.
And,
could not proceed.
Attorney. All right, Mr. Grimes, cases are going to be dismissed. If there's nothing further, have a very good day, sir.
You guys have a better one. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Okay.
What's going to go on with, did we get an offer for Greer? All right, let's move on to Elliot Gray is gone, I believe. Yes. Larkins, let's see what Jonathan Larkins has going on.
Did you want me to go to room 2, Your Honor?
No, that's just going to be your room. I just put you back into the room just in case.
Okay.
Someone needs to speak to you. That's your private room. You know, so if you don't get those luxury accommodations when you go on vacation, you and your wife, I'm giving it to you here, Mr. Faulkner. I'm sure he does get those lavish luxury accommodations.
Sometimes.
So, Larkins.
Yes. I just got an offer. I didn't know if you got it, Judge.
You got an offer for Larkins? I don't see Larkins on the docket. Oh, I see him. I see him. All right.
He wants improper plates and dismiss two other counts.
He's got some other tickets. What day is your date of birth, sir?
07/08/1999.
You can't stop getting tickets.
Huh? Can you please repeat yourself?
I said you can't stop getting tickets.
I It's only a few that I know about, but
All right, improper plates and amended count of blocking traffic, and then we'll clear all this stuff up. $175. Let's call the case. This is the City of Detroit versus Jonathan Ramon Larkins. Case number 225-179201. SP 121-8784, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 121-87901. SP 128-14681. Hearings for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing the defendant. Your name, sir? Larkins?
yes, Jonathan Larkins.
All right, turn your camera on, sir.
I will, anyway.
All right. Good morning, Mr. Larkins. Today is the date and time set for trial on 3 of the matters that I called into the record. The other 3 matters were in default. He has a 11 to 15 over, a disregard a traffic control device, and a no registration ticket. So the offer that you got was pleading to an amended count of what now, Mr. Faulkner?
I don't think it's amended. I think improper plates is the original charge. He'll plead
right.
guilty as charged and dismiss the other 2. That's what we had 3 at the time.
All right, here's the deal, sir. To clear all this stuff up, you can plead to is Officer Thurman here? Put your appearance on the record, Officer Thurman, please.
Yes, sir.
State your name for the record, please.
Officer Thurman,
And this is what department and badge number, please?
Detroit Police Department, badge number 4049.
Okay, very well. Here's what we'll do, Mr. This is your offer. We'll give you an improper plate. That's going to be a $240 fine. Dismiss upon payment. And for one of the civil infractions, for the disregard of the traffic control device, we'll offer you a blocking traffic, $175. And then we'll dismiss the rest of the cases.
Okay.
You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Faulkner, give him his advice of rights. You want to take that deal, sir?
Yes.
Join the breakout room, and give him his advice of rights. Join the breakout room, Mr. Faulkner and Mr. Larkins, and we'll come back and put that on the record. All right, if you don't have anything further, Officer Thurman, then you have a very good day. Be safe out there, okay?
Thank you. You as well, sir.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
This is Sergeant Cedric Dunbar. I'm also here for Mr. Larkins. I don't know if you wanted me to put anything on the record.
Okay, that was, you can put your appearance on the record too, Sergeant.
Sergeant Cedric Dunbar, Detroit Police 7th Precinct, badge S221.
All right, I got you appeared on here, and that was a part of your deal, correct? That pleading the 1 to dismissing the 2, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, there's nothing further. You're free to leave, and have a very, very good day. Good luck to you, and be safe out there. All right, Sergeant.
Thank you. You too, sir.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Gonville.
Yes, sir.
Morning to you.
Good morning. How are you doing today?
I'm very well. Is that Terrence?
Yes, sir.
He's almost getting frequent flyer status too.
Oh, man.
You know how they do it. You know, when you get to the airline, they give you they get frequent flyer, they upgrade you to first class and stuff like that. When you get down here, frequent flyer, I'll put you in the box. And you can't have your dog with you either.
Man, he tripping. I apologize.
Gonville. Well, what happened to Greer?
I'm right here.
Yeah, I'm trying to find out what happened to an offer for you.
Oh,
I don't even have Gonville on the, or I do. Trial. Trial. This is easy. This is the city of Detroit versus Joseph Terrence Gonville. Case number SP 1317964, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1317981. SP 1395637, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Gonville. State your name for the record, sir.
Oh, hello, how are you doing? My name is Joseph Gonville.
I'm doing well.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. Do I have Officer Barron and Officer Rule? I have not seen any of those officers check in. You want to make a motion?
We would like to make a motion to dismiss all counts, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to grant that motion to dismiss. So now he's out of the frequent, flyer, near frequent flyer status. And you do owe $228 on an old expired plate ticket and $180 on an old seatbelt ticket. All the other matters are going to be dismissed. No officer. All right. If there's nothing further, Mr. Gonville, you have any other questions?
Do I have any other court dates to come see you again, or everything is just dismissed? This is for the motorcycle and the car?
Yes, this is for all the tickets that we called into the record. All you're gonna have is that $180 seatbelt ticket that you didn't pay back in 2016, an expired plate ticket that you didn't pay a long time ago as well. Both of those don't have any driver's license implications.
Thank you so much, sir. I did get my license corrected and I got my motorcycle permit, so I'm gonna be on point with everything. I just want to let you know.
All right, get that court that money, because I just heard that they're hired a law firm to reach back and get all those monies that the court is owed.
I do understand. I will get down there and take care of it as soon as possible.
Thank you. Have a great day, sir. Good luck to you.
All right,
Okay,
thank you.
let's go with
Your Honor, if I may
ahead,
just
Mr.
briefly,
Yeah.
on Garifa, Daniel, Corporal McCree is here. I'm just wondering, did we already call that case? It's
That's
the
the one that the retained counsel had a settlement
No,
conference. He was supposed to be come back around
Yeah,
10:30.
he's supposed to be back at 10:30. He came in first thing in the morning. Who is that? Gates?
no, that's Gates, Your Honor. And we have
That's
Officer
the counsel.
Robinson.
That's the attorney. He's supposed to be back.
Absolutely, Your Honor, but the first name at 8:30. He's taking care of both those cases, Your Honor.
Let's see the first name at 8:30. Let's see. Yeah, he's gone. He said that he got what did he get? He got a
1 to 5, yes. I just want to know, Your Honor, so we could release Corporal McCree. The case was called. I just wasn't, juggling stuff around. But
don't the other case, I don't know if Corporal McCree is on this old ONYEULOR case. Yeah,
no, Your Honor, that's going to be Officer Robinson. But I believe, if it's okay with you, Your Honor, if we could release Corporal McCree, because I believe all we had was that one case for him.
Yeah, you're free to leave, Corporal McCree.
Okay, thank you much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Corporal. Stay safe.
Yes, sir. Thank you. You too.
All right.
And
what
then
about on Garrett Greer? Did we get it? Let's go back on the record with Larkins. Mr. Larkins.
Yes.
All right, here, Mr. Rosenthal.
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Larkins was offered an improper plate. And when we look, he had 3 other matters that were in default. So it was a speeding ticket and a disregarded traffic control device. Along with that improper plate, I said a blocking traffic $175. Take care of everything.
What was the speeding infraction, Your Honor?
11 to 15 and a disregarded traffic control device. Disregarded traffic control device.
So we'll have him
And-
plead. Mhm.
Go ahead.
No, Your Honor, we'd have him plead to the original and then 1 blockading is my understanding, and dismiss the other.
Original and 1 blockading, yes.
Yes, Your Honor. Blockading for the speeding, dismiss the disregard, and I'm okay with that, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record for Mr. Jonathan Larkins. Mr. Larkins, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what does your client want to do?
He wants to take the offer, but if I may, change a little bit here. He's homeless and completely has no money. He's willing to go ahead and plead guilty, but he wants to know if he can have community service.
Let's get him to street court then.
Whatever, Your Honor.
Let me make a call. I know while the cases are open, it's probably best that the cases stay open for street court. You want to try street court, Mr. Larkins? See if they're able to get some housing for you.
Yes, that'll be fine.
All right, let me get Mr. Patel on the phone. I've been giving out his number. He gave me permission to do so, but I want to get him on the phone momentarily and see if the other people have called and then get a better understanding of what needs to be done. So sit back for a second, Mr. Larkins. What they do in street court is we set a court date for 6 months out or something for these tickets. They get you into some housing, they get the tickets taken care of through that organization. So I would definitely give you community service, but I think you probably want to get in some housing, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's pass that matter momentarily, and I'm going to call him before we get off the line. All right.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now, did we get an offer for Greer?
Looking.
This is a show cause. We can set a trial date or we can get an offer.
I don't have him on my list.
What do you want to do, Mr. Greer?
Oh, if I can get it dismissed.
Well, you can get an offer today, or we can set a trial date for everything, and you can see what happens on the date of trial. Are you in Michigan?
Yeah.
Okay.
I moved back since my mama passed away. She worked for DOT, so I came back home.
Sorry to hear about your mother passing away. But South Dakota, woo,
Yeah.
I went to Colorado and drove back home, and there was nothing out there. I didn't even venture up to South Dakota, but
Mount Rushmore was out there. I drove there.
yeah, I would have liked to have seen that. Have you ever seen Mount Rushmore, Mr. Greer?
Yeah, I've been to Colorado.
Now, have you seen Mount Rushmore though? That's in
No,
South
I didn't.
Dakota,
I
isn't
didn't.
it?
I didn't. No, I ain't make it there. I didn't go there.
All right, that's a long way up there. All right,
Yeah.
So let's call the cases. This is the city of Detroit versus Jamel Akeem Greer, case number SP 1219683, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1252771, SP 1252787, SP 1288573, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1288575, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Funk, I represent the defendant. Your name, sir?
Mel Greer.
Mr. Greer, I'm advising you to plead not guilty on all matters to get a trial date. You'll be better off in the end if you do that.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna set aside the defaults. You want to go to that straight to trial on this, Mr. Greer?
You say that again?
I'm gonna set aside the defaults on the 2 civil infractions. All the rest are document tickets. Do you have a valid license, registration, and insurance?
I got license, but I don't have no vehicle. And one of the vehicles was my twin sister. And me and her no longer talking right now, so mom's passed and stuff happening right now. So
your mom is passed. When did your mom pass?
it's going on. She passed away in the summer.
And she was a bus driver, or she worked?
She was the road supervisor.
But so she was a bus driver back in the day, huh?
Yes, when I was a kid.
She probably, she was probably, I caught her bus probably. What routes did she take?
She used to take Van Dyke. And
I used to take Van Dyke.
Yep.
A lot. All right. So listen, I don't know what's going on with you and your sister, but your mom has passed. That's your twin sister. I mean, you can't patch that up?
Yeah.
You gonna patch it up?
Oh no. They don't be answering my calls no more, so I don't know.
All right, I hope you can patch it up. We'll set a trial date, March the 16th, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right?
All right.
If it's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. We need to get a better address for you.
All right. I'm at my auntie house right now.
Okay, what is the address? Is that where does your license go?
It was at another address, but I gotta get it switched to this one.
Well, you need to get it switched. What's the address you want us to put in here?
Put 11780 Beaconsfield, Detroit, Michigan.
And what's the zip code?
48205.
All right.
Hold on.
Phone number?
Let me double check. Hold on, sorry. Oh, sorry about that. It's 48224.
Do you have a good phone number? Is this phone number, what's a good phone number for you?
248-319-2553.
And they call you Cash Mel Detroit 313, right?
Yeah, that's my social media page.
But you got a 248 number. I don't get that. But if you Cash Mel, then you should be able to patch things up with your sister. Drop some cash on her. Say, here, sis, I'm gonna hear. We'll patch everything up.
Yeah.
All right. Come back March 16th, 2023. Sorry about the passing of your mom. Hopefully you can patch up the relationship with your twin sister. Come back, we'll get some resolution to these cases, all right?
All right.
All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
You too.
Okay, who do we have left? Lee. Sure. Mr. Lee.
Yes.
Lee. Okay. Matthews is here, was here, but he's not here anymore. Mr. Rosenthal.
Hello?
Yeah, hold on a second.
Oh, okay.
Let's see. Where's Mr. Rosenthal?
Don't see him.
All right, let me call Mr. Patel. Or Mr. Larkin. Hey, Charles, this is Judge Sean Perkins. I was looking to get, very well, I sent some people over there the last couple of days, and I don't have their numbers now. But I have an individual today, and this is for a street court to get them some housing, right? Part of the program, right? Yeah. So I know it was the one case we set for trial yesterday. Was one. So I have a Mr. Larkins here, and he has some tickets in my court. This seem like driving infractions. And he is without housing. I wanted to see if we can get him in that program. And I kind of want to check on those other people to see if they call. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do that right now. So let's go back on the record with Mr. Jonathan Larkins. Mr. Larkins, do you have a phone number, please?
Yes,
What is it?
313-768-4137.
Okay. 313-768-4137. His name is Jonathan, with an A, 2 A's, Jonathas, Larkins, Larkins. And he's got traffic matters. Now, these cases need to be open, is that correct? Okay, so we can, because the officers are weak, so we can dispose of the cases and he'll have the outstanding fines, correct? What we'll do is we'll adjourn the matter. So for 60 days or 90 days, which one? I'm gonna give him this number, and I can give him your name, Charles? Correct. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys and all the work that you're doing up there. I certainly do, and I appreciate you taking my call. All right, thank you. very much. Have a great day and a great weekend. All right. Okay, Mr. Larkins, what we're gonna do is we're gonna adjourn these matters for 90 days. I have the offer written here, right? We won't enter into that agreement. We won't do anything until you get situated and contact this organization, okay?
Okay.
I want you to take this phone number down. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, I'm ready.
313-355-4460. We're gonna adjourn this matter until May the 5th, 2023 on all the matters.
Okay.
Okay, I want you to hang up and give them a call now. And make sure you come back on May the 5th. And hopefully you'll have some kind of resolution soon, okay? I just want to say this to you. I just, I always say that the true test of a man is not when they're in the life of comfort and convenience, right? The true test of a man comes when they're facing adversity, and you're facing one of the most probably, hopefully, at the most adverse time you were having in your life, right? Hopefully, it is gonna get better, I believe. But just let it be known that you can get through this. You will get through this, and there'll be brighter days. But this is the test for you, all right? And when you pass this test, and I know you will, and I'm praying for you to get over this hump, all right? All right, so I'm gonna adjourn the matter, contact them over at that number, May the 5th, 2023, and then we'll come back and see. I'm sure at that time it'll be a better, you'll be in a better situation, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right, and I will keep the offer open as well. The one that you entered into is a very good deal, so I'm gonna keep that offer open, all right? All right, if there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you. You too.
All right. All right. Let's move on to Lee now on Terrell Ray Lee. He has Matthews was here, but Matthews is no longer here.
So he gave you a telephone number, you can call and talk to them. Out Perkins program. Please telephone number is 313-965-2565. Okay.
Can we get Mr. Rosenthal, Miss Bradfield? I've texted him and asked him what kind of conversations, if any, he had with Mr. Officer Matthews.
Robinson is no longer needed, is he?
Well, Robinson, get Attorney Gaya on the phone.
I think Robinson is here for the other attorney. I'm
Okay.
texting Mr. Rosenthal, Your Honor.
Yeah, and I've already texted him, but yours is probably more powerful than mine. Let's see if I can get Attorney Gaya's number. You see the oldest dog ever? Did you see that? 30-year-old dog?
Wow.
He surpassed the just days after Spike the Chihuahua was officially named the oldest living dog by Guinness Book of World Record. A new winner of the title has been crowned. Spike 23 earned the Chihuahua earned it on January 19th. But on February 2nd, the organization announced it had recently received evidence that an even older dog, Bobby, a 30-year-old canine. I hope my dog can live to 30.
He's 200 years old and dog year.
260, yeah, 200 times 210. And 267 days, so he's about to be 31.
Oh, that's cute.
The smaller the dog, usually the longer they live.
No, this is a bigger dog. He's not a little dog. Yeah, he's a pretty big dog. And guess what? His owner is 38.
Wow.
So he was only 8 years old when he got the dog. He's gonna have a tough time when that dog leaves, I'll tell you that. Tough time.
I know.
Wait a minute.
I know.
I get to the dog.
Gotta respect.
Here's a real dog, Judge.
Aww.
What you say?
That's not disrespectful.
Yeah,
Judge, this is a real dog here now.
Oh, that's a nice looking dog. How old is he?
It's a she, and she's all 7 or 8. We don't know. It's a rescue dog.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
The dog rescued us.
You know, so,
See what happens to you, Jim.
What's her name?
Sweet pea.
Sweet pea.
Sweet pea.
Yeah, sweet pea. She's a cool looking dog too.
Oh, she's the best, I tell you. We really lucked out with this one.
Those are usually the best ones, right?
Yeah, and we wouldn't train a puppy anyway. They have to be grown for us. We take one.
But the rescue dogs, they just seem to know what, it's just like the dog catcher back in the day. I don't see him that often anymore, but the dog catcher would come and that stray dog would hightail it out of there. He knew the truck, he knew everything. And it's like amazing how they know those things, you know what I mean? Anybody else, that stray dog would just keep on going about his business. But the ones that go into those situations, they're like, hey, the first person that comes and gets me, I'm gonna be the best dog I ever had.
Your Honor, Rosenthal is in the waiting room.
Is he in the waiting room?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get him connected to audio. Okay, Mr. Rosenthal.
Yes.
I have Mr. Lee that's been here.
Yeah.
And I know that Officer Matthews was here, but is no longer here anymore.
Yes, he isn't no longer here. However, I do have the offer, Your Honor. And I am not sure on, let me see, let me shuffle through the 3 dockets I have. One sec. So we
Let me ask
have,
Mr. Lee, do you have a valid driver's license, sir?
No, not yet.
and that was the thing, Your Honor, on Matthews. Yeah, so we can go with the insurance, no proof of the lesser. He was wanting to see if the individual had their license. It doesn't look like they do. And so that would be the plea. If it, we did have the officer here, Your Honor, and that's what we do have. He had to go and he had some other duties to attend to.
I know, but I don't know some of these officers just leaving out like that. But let's go ahead. This is the city of Detroit versus Terrell Ray Lee. Case number SP 1350901, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Paul Faulkner, representing defendant, Your Honor. Your name, sir?
Tyrell Lee.
All right, Mr. Rosenthal, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Yes, good morning. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the people.
Mr. Lee, what is, let's run his driver's license, please.
Well, I don't have no license.
Well, I was trying to see what's holding your license up, sir.
Oh, this is a real financial problem right now.
I'm asking the. Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
No, go ahead.
Oh, I'm disabled and my disability has not came through yet, so I'm still waiting on that.
All right, what other jurisdictions do you have tickets in?
No. Oh, I believe it was Redford. No, that's Farmington Hills. I'm sorry, Farmington Hills.
All right. Okay, so the offer is going to be pleading to the no insurance proof, and that is going to abstract to the Secretary of State. They treat that like a moving violation. Have you ever had a license? Oh.
Yes, I have.
You have this,
I have the insurance too. I have the proof of insurance, sorry.
the proof of insurance for the accident on that day, but you're on the phone, you have no no other way of seeing that.
I don't know how can I
Here's
do
the
that.
situation.
Okay.
Mr. Bradfield, I got a copy of his license. He has a 625G situation that he's in. That no proof of insurance, it appears that he's eligible for a license. But for the fact that he has never regained his driving status from that 625G. That was eligible, but was restricted from 3/10/23/2012 to 3/21/2012. He never got reinstated. If he enters into this agreement with this no proof of insurance, then that is surely going to hinder his ability to get that reinstated. He indicates that he has insurance. I can't see it. And he still has the no ops ticket as well. So that's the offer leading to the civil infraction, no proof of insurance, $195, dismissing the other. You can speak with Mrs. Bradfield. I'm going to put you in a breakout room. Speak with Ms. Bradfield. And,
Your Honor, I know Mr. Faulkner put his appearance on the record, but I'm gonna put my appearance on the record for
I'm sorry.
no problem. I don't have a problem speaking to it. This is my concern, and Mr. Rosenthal, this is nothing about you, but it's about the officer that has something else to do. We all have other stuff to do, including, I'm quite sure, Mr. Lee.
Yes.
Today is the date and time for the trial.
Yes, it is.
And without him saying he had to go to another courtroom where we could verify that he's in another courtroom, I'm making a motion to dismiss at this time.
And I'll be objecting to the motion to dismiss, Your Honor. We had the officer present. The officer was here. We have a lot of officers in the city. The city's short staff as it is. We have a lot of officers having to go to multiple courtrooms, having multiple duties. I had a plea that I thought was actually a reasonable plea, a plea that would be accepted. And I guess now we're just kind of neglecting that the officer even showed. So I do wholeheartedly object to the dismissal. And if that's the case, I'll get in contact with the officer and see if we can maybe reissue.
Here's the deal, and Mr. Rosenthal, I do understand that the city is short staff. I mean, your office is super short staff. But my issue is not, my issue is with the officer. The officer could leave a note, the officer could say something, and I guess he did by telling you. I'm not, all right, I'm not gonna dismiss the case. I would like you all to speak to Mr. Rosenthal in the breakout room and work this out, because the other part of it is if Mr. Rosenthal is going to have the officer reissue the ticket, we'll be right back at square one again. All right. So let's work this out. Ms. Bradfield, I'm going to put Ms. Bradfield in the breakout room with Mr. Faulkner. I mean, with Mr. Rosenthal. I'm going to put Mr. Gay in the breakout room. And let's work out all three of these. Let's work these two cases out, and get some resolution that everybody can live with. All right.
How are you, Your Honor?
Join the breakout room, everyone. Except Mr. Faulkner.
I'm not wanted.
You're wanted. You're wanted by what's the dog's name?
Sweet Pea.
Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea. Sweet Pea always loves you, no matter what.
She sure does.
Mr. Robinson, join the breakout room as well, please. Officer Robinson.
Hello? I was Robinson.
What breakout room was that, sir?
Join the breakout room as well, Officer Robinson.
Which room was it?
Number one.
And Mr. Lee?
Mr. Lee is gonna sit back and let his lawyer do the talking for him.
Okay, okay.
All right.
Robinson's name wasn't on the docket as far as the attorney or the
No,
officer.
Robinson is the officer. So he's here for that one ticket that the counselor was here for, the careless driving.
Oh, okay, it's on the other.